here we are, we're out again. We are in
We're at Abernethy
Abernethy.
RSPB Nature Reserve.
There's no Abernethy, no.
Yeah, but I misspoke.
Abernethy RSPB Nature Reserve, and we'll just go for a wee wander and about. It's Loch Garten in the background, and we're just here for today because it's nice. Take you down to the water now. Let's go. If it gets windy down here, it's not my fault. It, doing our stuff. I think the big guy in the background is Ben McDewey. Which, if it is, it's the second highest mountain in Scotland. Okay. Bring you back later. Now, if you've actually think you know the name Loch Garten, because this is where the ospreys are. They're up there on that wee hill up there somewhere. So I think after this walk we're going to head up there and see if we can see them. Doubt it. Probably see them on the camera, but that'll be it. Yeah, so. Right, but windy again because you're next to the water as usual. Right, we've walked down from Loch Garten and we're now down at Loch Mallachie or Mallachie. I really do not know. I would say Mallachie, right? But there you go. There's a wee 2 Lochs walk you can do in the Abernethy forest. Nice actually. In the forest. Quite an easy wee wander down. Could be benches up there for you to sit down. Quite a lot of the lochs in Scotland are like puddles, big puddles. And this is one of the ones that is not really well known. Obviously the Cairngorms mountains in the background. Oh, the wind's coming right towards me. Oh, it's going to... Ow, ow. It's going to blow my hat off. Man, you're doing their stuff there. Keep filming there in case her hat comes flying off. Right. We'll hide behind this tree so she can't see us. Right. Ready? Ah, she took it off. Right, we're now in the near. What does that say? Right. I had my mask on there still, sorry. We're now in the nature reserve. Unfortunately, the ospreys have disappeared. They're away. They heard that we were coming and decided that's it. They were off. So we're just going to walk up, have a wee look in the gift shop. You know, the donation, and enjoying a wee wandering a bit in the sunshine. Here's Mandy sporting the long haired look, and I don't know.
I really should. What hairdresser?
Ah, look at them. Bye. He's there, look.
Big one, yeah.
Well, look, he's there. There he's there. Mad. He's sitting right there, look. It's a double wing, I don't. There's one I made earlier. I think you can buy ice cream in here. You can buy ice cream in here.
Okay.
There's this ice cream sign over there.